Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Lisa goes to a clothing store. She wants to buy new clothes. The store is big and bright. A friendly woman works there. Can I help you? Asks the woman. Yes, I need a new dress, says Lisa. The woman shows her many dresses. Lisa likes a blue dress. Can I try this on? She asks. Of course. The fitting room is over there. Lisa goes to the fitting room. She puts on the blue dress. The dress is too small. Lisa tries a bigger size. This dress fits perfectly. She looks in the mirror. I love this dress, she says. Lisa also wants to try some pants. She finds black pants. The pants are comfortable. Lisa decides to buy both. She goes to the cash register. That will be 40 euros, says the woman. Lisa pays with her card. She leaves the store with a smile. Learn with LingoStories.app.